Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute on Webex meeting. So first head over and launch your Webex app, may it be in your browser or your desktop app. And of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now start by joining a meeting, or you can also start one. Now when joining a meeting, you automatically be shown a preview window where you can customize settings before you join your meeting. And here in this window, you can see here the mute or unmute button. You have an option if you don't have or if you don't want others in the meeting to hear you immediately once you've joined. So all you have to do is toggle this depending on your preference. And to mute this, just click on the mute button and vice versa. As you can see here, there's also a shortcut to mute, and that is to press Ctrl plus M in your keyboard. Once you join the meeting, you can use the same keyboard shortcuts to mute and unmute easily. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!